pollen is making me crazy. It's eating me up, man. I got these allergies, congestion, but that's what we're dealing with in Georgia right now. We got some pollen. It rained about 2 days ago, but you know, it still gotta rain again so you can wash that pollen away, guys. But yeah, right now we're going to a client, an old client that we've done some work for in the past, probably about 2 years ago. She says that her system is not heating or cooling. Based off the notes, I do remember that that compressor or something was bad with the cooling circuit. So the last repair we did on that system was the inducer. We replaced the inducer. It was a high efficiency system, a high efficiency furnace. So according to her, nothing is going on now. So we will see what we got to do, what we got to look at. But yeah, folks, that's what we're doing. Okay.
And then I switched it over to AC.
Yeah, AC.
One day, and just to see how, if it was gonna, and it didn't. And then the heating thing didn't ever come on again.
Okay, so it did heat, but then once you set it to cool,
yeah,
it just never worked, and then the heat didn't work either. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so okay, so we'll take a look. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat. Let me go to the crawl space and we'll go from there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so based off what she said, where's the switch for this? Switch. We'll check it out. Based off what she said, I think there's a short somewhere. She turned on her cool. All right, so let's look for this fuse. We got this 5-amp fuse right here. Yeah, that thing's burnt. You can see that burnt mark. So I think there's a short in the cooling circuit. And I'm gonna need the wires for this one. Yeah, so I think there's a short in the cooling circuit, and then whenever she went to go turn on the cool, just blew the fuse. Oh my goodness, I got all these tools in here. Let me just go ahead and put this one in. All right. Let's see if this magnet will work pretty good on this. There we go. Alright, so our inducer is on. So it sounds like there's an issue with the cooling circuit, because she said it worked all winter, but then when she switched it to cool, that's when the issue occurred. So we'll let this thing run in heat mode for a little bit. I hear the burners now. We'll go inside and we'll put it in cool and see what it does. Cool. Alright, so our popper is popped. It just popped again. So, alright, we know it's in the cooling. Let's go outside and check it out, or first let me remove these wires so I can know that it's not the thermostat that's causing it. So we'll do that now. There we go. Remove this wire. The white wire. All right. Then I'll put this jumper on, guys. That's why. It's gonna pop, probably. It's gonna pop. Okay. So let's go outside. Thank goodness for the Goodman. Got this older Goodman. I can't remember on the notes. I think there was an issue with this system, but she said it worked. So let's check out why it's shorting out. Oh, damn. That's why it's shorting out. Look at that, fellas. Check that out. Wire is touching right here. And it's touching that copper. It's exposed. All right, right there, it's not touching. I bet if I go pop that little popper back in, it might not pop. Let's go do that. That way we can know that that was the issue most likely. That's crazy. All right. There we go, came right on. Trying to turn this off. All right. So let me replace that wire. Let's see where it leads to. It goes out that way. Let me see if I can get it from the outside so I won't have to climb up in here. Okay, guys, I wasn't able to get it through the outside. So I just fished the wire through there, and I'm gonna have to pull it in here, and we'll go from there. Damn, I got this. Some big ass rat poop. I don't even know if that's rat poop. You know what would be crazy right now? Well, you know what is crazy? Whenever your wife calls you and you're in situations like this and you can't hang up, you can't just say, hey, I'll give you a call right back. They'll call you all, they'll call you all hyped up or in like a desperate mode, and they need to talk to you. They need to unload what they want to talk about. And you just find yourself in situations like this, bud. All right, we'll keep this right here so it won't touch that liquid line. We'll use this thermostat wire as a zip tie. Be careful with those disconnects. They'll end up breaking once you pop them out. Look at all this pollen, guys. It's a miracle I ain't sneezing right now. Yeah, I couldn't pull this more out. Well, now I can because I cut it, but I couldn't pull that more out. So I had to get in that crawl. It's all good though, it wasn't too bad. Alright, so we'll get that up. That should have fixed our issue. But yeah, this system is bad shape. Old R22. Can't remember exactly what was wrong with it. On the notes, I think it said something about the compressor overamping, or I don't know, but if we get this thing through one more summer, at least half a summer, we'll be okay. That was it, guys. Easy repair, not bad at all. I'm ready for the summertime, guys. I'm ready to get some videos in. I'm ready to start sweating, start working. Put a new fuse in there, take a picture. There we go. All right, guys. All right. Come on. There we go. Alrighty, fellas, that's it for this one. Let's see what else we get into.